Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my OASIS Vita Drops multivitamins for my rabbits. So I was looking for an easy multivitamin that the bunnies would actually like, and this one is great. So this multivitamin is a liquid, and you can add it either to the bunnies' drinking water or to their food. It has everything your rabbits are going to need. It's going to help their digestive system. It's going to keep their coat nice and shiny, and it's going to keep their immune system well. So I have noticed as I've been using these that my rabbits get sick less often. So I am a happy bun mom with these vitamins. If you have rabbits and you're looking for an easy way to keep them healthy, then I suggest checking out these OASIS Vita Drops multivitamin. They work really well. Bunnies love them, but that's just my point of view.